Today we're opening this LOL surprise present surprise. Did I just say that twice?
That's cool.
Okay. Yeah, I did say that twice. And it's like a present, so you can like give it to actually someone, and it says to from. So you can say who you're giving it to, and you're saying your name. But sometimes you're not really giving it to someone. But they did it like that because it's like a present, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna open it today. You can get the code, of course, because you need to get a clue of what it is. You're gonna get a party hat, a bottle, glasses, maybe sunglasses, a necklace. I never had that. A dress, so there's not even gonna be pants, and shoes, and then a doll. You can either get this one, I think, this one, or this other one that has like pink and purple hair that I really want. And my friend has this one, so I'm not sure if she got this. Wait. But it wasn't even the time to buy it. Maybe you get it from a different one. Okay. So I really just want the one with pink and purple hair. Or maybe it also has blue. I'm using scissors because... Wait, let me see if I can open this. Oh no, I can't. It's like everywhere, even over here, so I won't be able to. Now I can. I'm just not sure. I just broke it. Are you kidding me? Okay, I just broke. Oh my god, look at this. We got a shopping bag. It's party. What's this? This is very weird. Like, wait. You have to make the hat! So, how do I make this? Let's see. I'm trying my best. Wait, I can make it goes through this. This goes through here.
Can you use some help with that?
Wait, I think I got it.
It goes through the back. I can show you how.
Okay, can you do it? While I get the rest. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, while I get everything else out, but not open it because I really want that party hat. Everything else is in this bag. Wow. And then there's more bags in it. I actually had one that had this and then bags in it, but some of them didn't have like bags in them, like inside another bag. Well, of course it had bags in them, but like some of the accessories weren't in them. And I'm still waiting.
It's okay. Let's open the rest.
Wait, we can put everything back.
Well, let's just open and see what else there is. What do you think?
Okay, let's get the code. Oh wait, it tells us how to do it. My mom's doing it anyway. Mommy, here, this tells us. You did it already? Oh.
It's a party pot.
Party.
Maybe you have to put the tape.
You know, look, party hat. I was wondering how that was sticking to me. So let's check all the dolls you can get in this. Please tell me it's only one. It's like, is it just a comic book or what? Please tell me it's only one. There's like a billion in here. Are you kidding me? Wait. Okay, maybe we can find this. Look at all this stuff you can get. Look at all these. Do you know what I really want? Like the one most favorite? I really want this one so bad. And this one. If I get one of those, I'm going to be happy. At least. And I want mine to be color changed. I don't know. Wait. Okay, so none of them color change, but that's okay. Okay, I either want a color change one or this one and this one. I mean this one and this one. Violet and... I can't say it. So this is paper, so it's easy to break it. Look, I can like... See? It's paper. Oh my gosh, look at... Wait. Okay, I guess they don't show the bottle because they don't want to see. Oh, look at the bottle! Mommy, look at the bottle! Look how big this is. It's hard to squeeze it. Wow. And it has polka dots, see? It's polka dots. I actually never thought this was gonna exist. I just like to read it like I'm strong. Wait, we got a cupcake! I think all of them have cupcakes. Wait. I know which one we got. Wait, please tell me it's color change. No. Wait, it's very hot. A jewel. It's like a jewel on top. Oh my gosh, I really know which one we got. I should know the looks, but at least I got a doll. I thought you can only get one. Oops. Oh my gosh, look at this bracelet. I was just about to put it on me, but look how tiny it is. You can, that's how tiny my snap is. It's tiny. It's even tinier than this. So, okay, maybe a bit big, but like close. Ow. Okay, I don't think you should try that. Unless it's in a different one. I'm going to leave all the ones that are open on the side because sometimes I want to open that and then it's open and then I keep repeating for like the whole day. I think this one has the doll. But I really didn't want this doll. Okay, I know which one we got already. But look at his dress. Oh. Wow. That's so shiny. I never had a dress. Wow. I never had a dress. Who made this dress? Who made dresses? I think these are the shoes. Yeah, definitely. Oh wait, you can put some of the stuff in there. Check it out. Yeah, we definitely got it. I want to show you guys. Actually, I'll show you. When I open this, I'm going to show you which one it is. Oh, I knew it. We got this girl. I knew it. See?
Wow, it's a big hair.
My dad thought we had to take off the hair and we can put it back. No. I'm sorry. Who would do that? But then he'd be bald. Holding the head, you don't want that. Wait, does this really fit? I have no clue what that was for. I guess it's for nothing. This is so weird. Okay, let's dress her up. Wait, this really matches her. See? Like everything matches. This matches. This matches. This matches this glove. This matches this glove. And this matches. Like the glove and this. I wish. Wow, I never saw that happen. I really want to put a dress on. I never put a dress on a doll. Like, no. I never put a dress on an LOL doll. I'm just thinking about something I do on YouTube so much that I feel so weird about myself. I don't feel it. I haven't put necklaces on LOL dolls in a long time. I got a hack from my friend. She told me how to make it easier. I really didn't want to do this to you, little doll. What's your name? I have no clue how to say that.
Let's see.
This is her.
Her name is Festive BB.
I thought it was Phoebe BB.
Even your scissors match.
Hmm?
Even your scissors match.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna make her hold this now. Get her to hold this bottle. And now, cupcake. I wish I had more cupcakes for her. There she is. I don't really have enough water. Wait. I'm gonna put some stuff in here. I'm gonna put like the cupcake and pretend she got it from the shop. I'm going to go to the shop and get some cupcakes. Well, what? I want a cupcake, please. There you go. Yay. I'm gonna eat it. Get me cupcake. Ah, don't spill. And now she's eating the cupcake. If I get more, I can make like a cupcake party. Wait, do all of them have cupcakes? Don't check. 1, 2. Okay, only 2 of them have cupcakes. So my friend Vivi has this one. I guess she bought it. Oh, one of her friends gave her it. I haven't had cry one in a long time. Oh my god, look at the pumpkin one. There's a pumpkin one. They said that you can't find me. You're right. I can't. Why can't I get that one if I love pumpkin pie? Okay, bye. Wait. Yes, I did! I was not even showing you her face. I thought I was showing you her face. Okay. Wait. Can you fix this? Or not? Bye. I meant to do that. Bye.